My name is Jerome Conway and I'll be leading you through a 15 minutes drone video of the Nimba rubber concession area. This is the entrance from the Seclepie Ganta Highway. This is the central office. Further left is the Kokopa Kiam 1. And on the right here, the new planting is the rubber planted between 2021 and 2022. That's also on the way to Seclepie. And the huge vegetation at the back of the central office and between the factory that you are currently looking at, where some of the rubber planted in 2002, which are some of the most productive areas on the farm currently. Right at the back of this rubber area is the factory. You can see the factory there in view. The first two buildings here are the lap and the way bridge. This is followed by an open area for stocking coupling. After that, the 4 buildings in row there are the processing area. On the left, you got the water reservoir. At the far right is the generator house, and then beyond the reservoir you have the borehole garden, the nursery, and the factory camp. This area are some of the rubber planted in 2021-2022. That was during the time I was new development superintendent. I planted this rubber. And you can see it there far beyond the horizon. Directly on top of the canopy of this rubber, the employee has just completed lawn weeding. Coming above here is are some of the areas painted in 2025. This is also along the Seklipi Highway going towards the Yar River. You can see the main road across on the other side. Here are some of the new rubber on the way to the bungalow in Camp 3. Very productive area. That's it continuing there. You can see the canopy or uniform. Here is the Camp 2 area from the bungalow all the way to Camp 2. Again, another huge rubber, very productive, cultivated around 2002 or so. That's it stretching across there. employees' houses. The row on the right is the row to Camp 3. The row on the left is the one to Camp 7. And this is Camp 7. Camp 7 on Bay Road going to Gipo. I mean, not Bay Road, but Gipo. Going to Gipo. That's the canopy of the rubber all there. That's the canopy there continuing. And this is Camp 7. The type of houses. Camp 7 is you.